Hey guys, it's Brandon's Bullish, and I'm back with another video. We're looking at SPY on the 15. So yesterday SPY was pretty choppy, but I think it ended up closing around 517.50. Yeah, so I think positive for the day. Over post market, just it went up a little bit. Most of pre-market was consolidating, and then there was a big dip recently, and now it's trying to retest, or we're watching retest, but we are right above our VWAP and EMA cloud, which happens to be negative. So look out, beware for that. But what am I looking for? If it is not able to push past the VWAP, what am I looking for? And the EMA cloud, I'm expecting it to come back to 617, 615. For the last 3 days, it's been in this range. So probably look for 616.50, 615.80, and then the range is basically closed at 615.02 or 615. If it's able to push past, I'm thinking it's probably gonna go back to all-time highs, or damn near the highs of this zone. But if we're able to get above the VWAP and the EMA cloud is able to flip, I'm looking for calls probably to 618.85. That's top of the range. Maybe 620. 620 would be an all-time high, but yeah, look out for 620. Do I have anything over that? No, I don't. But yeah, let's get into NVIDIA. For NVIDIA fell a lot yesterday. NVIDIA and NQ fell a whole bunch yesterday. Pretty much consolidating post pre-market, fell more. Right now we're trying to see if NVIDIA can reclaim the VWAP and EMA cloud and can potentially flip. What I will note is SPY and NVIDIA are both negative, so do look out for that. Or not negative, bearish right now, so look out for that. Look out for the downside if there is any. But yeah, we'll have to see if NVIDIA can reclaim the VWAP or EMA cloud. The zones we're looking at is we're currently on the supply at 151.72. It's breaking it, but we have to see if that holds. If not, I have a Fibonacci, or this is a demand. If not, we have a Fibonacci demand at basically 150. Yeah, we remove that to even 150, and then 148.76 if there's further downside. I doubt that. But on the upside, if it's able to reclaim the VWAP, the EMA cloud also turns bullish, we're looking at 153.18 or whatnot, and then 155, and then we have 155.76, and then yeah, these are a bit closer. But actually, and then we have 155.75. But let's get into Apple. I should delete that one. Apple has finally rose, or has finally been rising, because it's been consolidating for a tad bit. But yeah, very glad to see it break. I even called it out on Monday or whatnot. But yeah, yesterday for Apple, it rose a little bit, but fell and then consolidated. It looks like close almost near where it opened, pretty much. But pre-market just rose a little bit, consolidated the most, rose a little bit again, or post-market, and then pre-market rose a little bit again, and now it seems to be falling. What I will say is the VWAP and it did break the VWAP, but the EMA cloud is still bullish right here. So if it does keep falling, I guess wait for it to turn or something, or not now. No, I mean, just be aware that the EMA cloud is still bullish. So don't be too quick to jump on puts for Apple, especially since it's been very bullish the past couple of days. But the zones I have on the downside are 207.66, 205.63, and then yeah, and then on the upside I have 214, I guess. Yeah, these zones, they're a lot further apart. Maybe I need to use more Fibonacci zones for this, but I'll do that in the next video. But that's all I have for Apple, and that's our 3 stocks. So I hope you guys have a good trading day and take care.